Hey guys, here's my super modded Outcast paintball gun here. It's from the makers of JT paintball, you know. I got a zoom scope, zoom in right there. I think I forgot what the zoom on it is. It is red dot. Batteries in that compartment right there. It's got a twist on barrel, extended barrel with an extended sniper or silencer, um, homemade bipod, all of this on it. This gun and this part of the scope and this whole gun, except for the bipod, barrel, shoulder stock, that piece right there, and the visor is all homemade. And these two pieces are original. Um, Yeah, so I'll be dissecting it. The shoulder stock, I haven't found a way to take it off yet, so it's practically permanent right now. Um, yeah, and then you just twist the screws off, those two silver screws off on the handle, and the bipod comes off. I don't really want to take the bipod off because it helps stability. Barrel can just pull off. Silencer you can twist off by twisting these little knobs. And the scope's just about the same. You can take the visor off if you want. And the scope was not originally red dot. I created that part too. These two wires hanging out are the rechargeable battery wires, so I can hook it up to a port. And okay, let's get started. Okay, I don't know what to show you first. Yeah, I'll show you the scope. Okay, right now it is zoomed in, and I'm gonna show you basically like what it would look like if you're looking down the scope. Okay, see that green light over there? Past, beyond. Oh, yeah, my stepbrother's playing the Xbox right now. But there's where my gun, tip of my gun is a green light. I'm gonna aim over there, so you can see how well of a zoom it does. Okay, now you can see the green light over there, right? Okay, now let me zoom in. Or let me zoom. Yeah, let me zoom in. And to zoom in, you just twist that threaded piece right there, and it zooms in for you. This gun is kind of a little heavy. But you can see it is it's like 2 feet closer than before. And the gun is centered. So, now let me show you the red dot. There's a switch right there on the side of the scope. And all you do is just switch it. You know, it's a switch. Switch that switch. And of course, a little red light means it's on. And look through it. And there's a red dot wherever you look. So, okay, let me dissect this now. Let me turn this off here. And it's off. Okay, so the scope can come off completely if you don't want it on. I almost dropped that. That was close. Okay. So let me get these little pliers. Twist the silencer off. Sorry guys, it's taking a while. But the silencer does work, as far as I know. I haven't tried it yet. Okay, I'm gonna have to put this down here. Okay, so here's the silencer, and those little holes on the side, you can see they collect all the sound, and that's what suppresses the gun. There's two tiers. There's a line in the middle of the suppressor. You can see that's one tier that separates both tiers, and you just tighten with these little screws onto the barrel. Now let's get the attachable barrel extension off. Now mainly here, right here, it's not, you can actually take the barrel off in gameplay if you want, but I don't know if it actually increases the area, or the distance. The distance of the ball, and I haven't tried logging it, but this is barrel extension. It looks like it's about a foot long. It only gives about 6 inches barrel. This is the original barrel on it. It looks a little weird, so I put the barrel extension. This can twist off too. Twist off, leaving the gun barrelless. Twist the scope off here. Scope and bipod. I have to unscrew these two screws right here, and that'll come off. And you got the shoulder stock right here. Gun completely works still. Yeah. But let me try this. Yeah. Shoulder stock here. And it's got padding in the back of the stock, so reduces recoil, which doesn't really matter in a paintball gun because there's not a lot of recoil. And yeah, that's about it now. Let me show you guys the red dot scope again. This is one of my proud creations I made. I really like it. You turn the red dot scope on. You can even look in. Red dots is centered completely. It's perfect. And if you look in the front, I had the visor there so people don't see the red. So yeah. Well, this is a video of my paintball gun, and just to waste the last 10 seconds to making a 9-minute video, I'm just going to be showing you overall the gun. Thank you.